He got louder claps than you did.
Okay. In Azuna, the Naga are kind of weird in that we don't know why they're there or who they're serving. Khadgar just says, oh no, some Naga have showed up and want the pillar, why? And then Prince Ferrandis says they're working with the Legion, but then we never see them working with the Legion. And now in 7.2, they're in the Tomb of Sargeras, but they're in a different part than the Legion. Whose side are the Naga on?
Hi, Ian. How you doing? It's a good question. Naga, like humans, for example, do not all have the same allegiance to the same matriarch, for example. So it's quite possible that some Naga will work with the Legion, like they may in 7.2, although that's actually not a certainty, because we don't know what's happening in the tomb yet. Well, you guys don't, we do. And beyond. As far as Azuna, that is setting something up, hopefully. And we'll see where it goes, but Ajara certainly is interested in the Thai son of Golganoth. Why? I don't know. I mean, I do know, but we'll see, right? So that's a story that will hopefully blow out and expand in future content. Just wait and see.
We'll see.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.